Today in Engineering Newswire, we're riding around on a super smart bike, chatting with the latest home robot, and beaming down pesky drones. Some of you may be familiar with the pain and annoyance of having your bike stolen. Thankfully, Dutch manufacturer Van Moof understands your pain and has developed a smart solution. Aptly named Smart Bike, the innovative bicycle features a speed-displaying LED touchscreen built into the top tube, and it also has a chain lock which makes it almost unstealable. How, you may ask? Well, the two ends of the chain plug into an electronic, app-controlled keyless locking mechanism housed within the frame's tubing. To unlock the chain from the bike, riders can simply swipe the screen on their paired smartphone, use an included wireless remote, or just touch the bike's built-in screen as long as their phone is within Bluetooth range. And if somehow the bike is stolen, an onboard tracking apparatus allows its location to be monitored through the app. For a fee of about $110, Van Moof will track down the bike and return it to you, which isn't that bad for a bike that costs over $1,000. In fact, the company is so confident in the feature that they will replace your bike if the original can't be tracked down and returned in less than 2 weeks. Additional features include anti-theft bolts securing the seat and wheels, head and tail lights that come on automatically in the dark, and an internal pedal-powered battery. Both a 3- and 8-speed version are now available for pre-order. According to Van Moof, you can be one of the first in the world to put bike thieves out of business.
Electronics and hardware company Asus just unveiled the latest home robot named Zenbo. The limbless companion is designed to assist the busy modern family with everyday tasks, such as reading a recipe while you prepare dinner, entertaining your children, or even controlling connected smart devices. Standing at only about 60 centimeters tall and moving around on wheels, the tiny robot is made up of a spherical base a little larger than a basketball, and a head with a digital display. Asus is pitching the big-eyed robot as an entertainment center, home automation controller, and personal assistant. Aside from displaying photos or video taken with its built-in camera or acting as a touchscreen interface, Zenbo also features high-quality integrated speakers for playing music or interacting with users. The little guy even recognizes natural speech and can respond appropriately. The robot would probably be most useful for the elderly, reminding them of doctor's appointments or when to take their medication. And in case of emergency, Zenbo could send out an SOS to a family member's smartphone. No launch date or technical information has been announced yet. However, the price of the robot will come in at just under $600. Not a bad price for the cute bot. Just remember to keep the little guy away from uneven surfaces. Unless you enjoy watching him fall down the stairs, that is.
Pesky drones flying too close to US airports have caused quite the controversy this year. To combat these negligent flyers, the US government is trialing a defense system at select airports that scans for unmanned drones before using radio beams to stop them. The Anti-UAV Defense System, or AUDS, is capable of detecting potential threats up to 6 miles away through an electronic scanning radar. When an incoming drone is identified, the system uses infrared and daylight cameras to track its flight path. It then fires a 4-watt directional beam to the drone to jam its radio signals. In total, the process takes between 8 and 15 seconds and provides a few neutralization options, including momentarily freezing the UAV, initiating a forced landing, and locking it up until the battery dies. The developers of the system have already carried out more than 400 hours of testing, and they believe that the technology is ready for use at airports across the country. According to a spokesperson for the AUDS team, the system is able to operate effectively in complex airport environments during the night and day, and during various weather conditions without disrupting airport equipment. The development team, headed by Blighter Surveillance Systems, believes the technology could even track down the perpetrators by providing authorities with video footage or radar tracks. If the trials go as planned, the potentially life-saving system could be the savior pilots and airport operators have been waiting for.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm Kaylee Duffy, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.